this is for the fans them. Cause my own obligation. I want to buy my music. I want to turn up on my show. I want to say govy govy. You see me? I'm just a whole upon the concern and more on the mind at ease. I'm active, I'm good. You see me? That's a big up the doctors, big up the nurses at I think a sentence hospital, I'm not sure. Big up Dr. Reed, big up Miss Dana. You see me? For y'all who don't know what happened last night, when they have a performance in a center and there was a misjudgment while entering the stage and they had a college and they run at the screen them and a whole heap of blood loss, a whole heap of thing, but we still soldier and get the fans them on 5 minutes. At the end of the day, my sister, I never really have a concussion because I never get dizzy and nothing like that. So I just bandage it up, wrap up my head, ready and just perform for the fans them because we are soldier, we are not some girl picking it. You get to me and say, and when I do the video, I feel like no sympathy for no boy and no girl. Because you know, say, me not Govana operate them lady. They get to me and say, this is for just make the fans them know, say, I'm active and I feel all the love from you know. I can't respond to everybody. I don't respond to nobody from morning actually. And the first people I hear from me. You see me? So make you know I'm active and I give thanks for all of the well wishers, you know what I mean? Yeah, Albany, New York tomorrow night and I do on 20th, May 3rd, UBS Arena. So it's a vibe, you see me? We're there, we're active, we have a life. We have a life, you get what I say? So as I say, I hear all of the things them, the greatest thing that I hear. Me have a life. Life I greatest, you get me I say. And that just goes to show, say, no matter what we go through things, bro. I could have run off for the stage first night, you know what I mean? And if me that type of individual like that, money devil me there now, because life fight no whole heap of time. You get me I say, morning sir, go on good now. The devil I go forward. You get me I say, whole heap of thing I go on, the devil I go forward, brother. You see me? As the mother say, we not look. We not give in. You get me I say? Yeah, that's so one of them things there. But we overcome every single obstacle, chop down every barrier. You know you go, govy, in the city, always, forever, long life, eternal life.